Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share a Google Drive link in just a few quick steps. Open drive.google.com in your browser. You'll see your files and folders in the My Drive view. Click the file or folder you want to share. You'll know it's selected when it gets highlighted with a light blue background. Click the Share button in the top right toolbar. It's the one with a person icon next to it. This opens the Share dialog box. You'll see two main sections here. The top section says Add People, Groups, and Calendar Events, and the bottom section says General Access. Click the drop-down menu under General Access that says Restricted. This expands to show you the different access options available. Click Anyone with the link. A permission drop-down appears next to it on the right. Click the permission drop-down to see three options: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Viewer means they can only look at the file and download it. Commenter lets them view and leave comments. Editor gives them full access to make changes. Pick the one that matches what you want people to be able to do. Click the Copy Link button in the bottom right of the dialog. The button will briefly change to say Link Copied, and the link is now saved to your clipboard. Click Done to close the dialog. Now you can paste that link anywhere you want, in an email, a message, or on a website. The link stays valid even if you rename or move the file within Google Drive. To stop sharing later, return to the Share dialog and change it back to Restricted. That's how you share a Google Drive link. Thanks for watching.